Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to review one of the LED lights that everyone should own one. Here are the reasons why. Here is the LED Godox Litemons 6R. So the R stands for RGB. Before I found this light, I was always interested in purchasing the Aperture MC RGB. But the price is insane. It costs $90, which is way much more than this Godox 6R. This Godox is only less than $25, but it has almost everything that the Aperture MC offers. Okay, now let's dive into the details of what this Godox Litemons 6R can do. The first things I really love about this Godox is it is magnetic. So you can easily attach this LED anywhere you want. Most importantly, it is light, small and portable. It's only 110 grams, so I can put it in my camera bag easily. Talking about my camera bag, this is a new bag I have just purchased as well, and I can't wait to tell you more about it in a separate video. Okay, now let's back to the Godox. It is reported to be last for 2 hours with 100% brightness and 4 hours with 50% brightness. Now let's move on to the features of this light itself. 3 important features are integrated in this Godox Litemons. Firstly, it is built with bi-colors, starting from the 3200 to 6500 kelvins. Second, this light comes with the Rgb capabilities, so you can choose whatever the colors you like. Lastly, it has special effects features. Of course, you can use it for different filming purposes. Let me just show you quickly. Okay, at the back, as you can see, there's some buttons you can use, and there's a small screen display here that you can see the information of the features you're using. And here is the off and on button. So you just do like this. Yeah, it's on. See, the light comes out. And there are 4 mini buttons down here where you can adjust the setting or the effects that you would like to use. And over here is the Type-C port, which you can, charge this Godox light. Yeah, the Litemons Godox 6R. As you can see, now let me just show you very quickly how you can use these effects. So now you can see that the light I'm using is the 3200 kelvins with 100% brightness, and the battery remains 2 levels. So now if you want to change the kelvins from 3200 to 6500, all you have to do is to press letter M over here, M button. Now the highlighted area is on the Kelvin, so now you can adjust the Kelvin by pressing the up and down buttons over here. So as you can see, I can adjust it. Yeah, this is 6500. And if you want to adjust the brightness, press M again. As you can see, 100% is highlighted. Now you can adjust the brightness. Next, if you would like to use the effects, FX, here over here, FX button. Press FX, and you can see in the screen display here, this is effect number 1. The icon is the rotation. So press one more time. This is effect number 2. Press one more. This is effect number 3. You can see this like a light bulb. Yeah, this is effect number 4. Sliding. This is number 5. This is a light bulb again, but this one just one light, one color of light. One more. This is TV. Yeah, TV. Okay. One more is a candle. Okay. Number 9. Number 10. Police car. Yeah. 11. 12. This is SOS. Yes, back to number 1. If you want to access the RGB light, all you have to do is to press M, hold down. Yes, it's back to the bi-color. Press M and hold down one more time. Now it's changed to the RGB light. Yeah, I press M, so make sure I highlight on the shoe. So now I can adjust up and down button to change the color of the light. So you can see what's the color now. Yeah, so I can change any colors I like. Yeah, so this is 343. I can also adjust the saturations over here. Yeah, saturation, see, 100, can decrease it. This light also comes with a diffuser cap, which you can use it as a field light. And if you have this light more than one, of course you can, attach this light with one another by using this built-in type of female and male hot shoe. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this light, just let me know in the comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Oh wait, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider doing so. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.